What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zame from XCC Tunes. In this video I'm gonna make a sample based beat using MPC beats and Cubase. Alright, so let's get started. So as usual, I have already fired up my Cubase and I'm gonna add MPC beats. Right, I'm gonna make a sample based beat, so let's go ahead and find some nice samples to work with. I'm gonna go and find some loops here. Let's see. That's kind of cool too. I think I'm gonna use this one right now. So we double click on it and I load it to my MPC. I'm gonna close this one. Okay, this is the file. I'm gonna double click on it. It's gonna open here. And currently, what was the tempo? It was 93 beat per minute. So yeah, I'm actually kind of feeling in that range. So I'm gonna change this to 90 beat per minute, right? So let's go ahead and chop this one. I'm gonna just use the BPM. Let's see how does it sound. Let me change this to 8th note. Actually, I'm gonna chop it manually. Let's try that. Cool. I already chopped the sample now. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new program. I'm gonna click on this one and I'm gonna select pad parameters. Okay, I'm gonna hit do it. Now I've got this samples into a program which I can then select. So before that, I'm gonna have to make sure that it is warped properly. So I'm gonna go to the program edit and I'm gonna change this to the sample program. I'm gonna select all of this. Okay, I'm gonna go to the waves and click on warp. Okay, now I'm gonna enter the original tempo of this sample, so which is 93. It should have the correct tempo now. Always remember to go back to the current, because sometimes we may be adjusting some parameters here and we don't want it to affect all the other pads, right? Just adjust it a bit. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go and program this sample. Okay, let's program this guy here. I'm gonna change it to 2 bars. Let's turn on the metronome now so we can hear what's going on. Okay, I like it, but I'm gonna just transpose it a little bit. So I'm gonna go to the program edit and I'm gonna click on all again. I'm gonna go to wave. Okay, you go to the semitone here. And I'm gonna just bring it maybe -3. Let's see. I like that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the drums. Yep, fire. Okay, so that's good. Let's go ahead and add a percussion, a shaker. I might be using this more often than. Now let's program the drums. Some shaker. Select all of these. So if you want to select all of the note from this pad, just click on this one and just slow. I like the bounce, but there's something that I need to do right now. I am hearing something else. Should be here. Cool. I like that. So now drums is ready, the sample is ready. Okay, let's add some synth. I'm gonna go and find really cool synth that I always use, and that is Absinthe. Absinthe is a cool plugin. They don't make this anymore, unfortunately. like that. Let's do that. Okay, that's cool. Let's add Vacuum Pro. That's the best one. Let's try. Let me reduce the volume here. What do I want to add next? I'm going to add kontakt library. Okay, I might want to reduce the volume of the sample. Let's add some bass now. I'm going to use, let me use CS80. Yeah, I'm just gonna be sustaining this one note here. I think that's kind of cool. Let's try. You know what we need now? I'm gonna need a vocal chop, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one. Now let's arrange this beat real quick. I'm gonna duplicate this guy. Now let's decide how you want this beat to be. I'm gonna just do a quick arrangement right now. I'm gonna go to the sample with the first track here, right? I'm gonna go and just export the audio. Okay, sometimes this audio that we export like this, it's not gonna be in a high quality. I don't know why. So I try not to do it this way, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do just that. Okay, so let's hear it. So for the hook part, I'm gonna be using the sample. So for the beat, yeah, I think I'm just gonna be rendering the beat now. Just for the sake of this video, I'm doing it this way, but usually I will render a multi-track, right? So now I have this drum beat. Okay, this drum hits really hard. I like that. Okay, now I've got these tracks here, the sample and the drums. So the drums from the verse. So the intro is only with these guys here. I think I may not be using this chop for the intro. Okay, maybe from here. Maybe from here. Yeah, let's try that. The drums is gonna come for the verse. Let's mute this one. Should I transpose this down? Let's try to transpose it. That's fire. Okay, I kind of like that. So here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna start the track. This is the chorus. This is the verse. And this is the chorus again. So this is the very standard, simple arrangement. Usually I'll do even better job than this. Since we don't have much time, I'm gonna be doing this way. If you guys like this beat, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.